This is Ensa Gomba on top. This is a very old monastery and there's only one monk who lives there. Gomba la kushu chik chik muyo resa. Gomba ngingba shiu jirada. Tanganzu Gomba gyan dodo dine. We gotta walk from here. Gomba gyagi yu anzu. We gotta walk till there. Look at this, amazing. A big tree here, some greenery here. Tata da dongbo chenbo jik de kia da Ensa yi gangla. Di Gomba de lo thugyang yingba. 600 years old, Ensa Gomba. Still preserved pretty good. That's the impressive thing. The preservation thande chidu. It's amazing. There's only one monk who stays here. We're calling his name. The kushu chikchibu de irsa. Korangi ning. Korala ketangi. Wow. It's part of a rock. The whole thing is part of a rock here. It's so short. They have to like bend. Ensa Gomba bulang anzule. Sa chimbo shiu jiredo de ngingba. The shingi. Flooring the shing tada. Really old murals here. And the typical Ladakh, the roof with those bamboos. Right, let me give you another good view of the front. The footprint of the Chumpa Nyema Gomba. It's the footprint. Kangbagi Shapchir. The next Gomba. Nubra Valley with you. This is another Serkhang, another part of the monastery. Very old Thangkas. Thangka Nimba. Very old. Chips Gombo. Gombo ki laya la.
Instruction
The courtyard. Gomba ki courtyard. This is the courtyard of the Gomba. So here is the number for the Kushula. If you need to call him, if it's closed, he'll tell you how to open it. Dekh aise Ghana. Dine Kushula de la phone taruchi main door dine. Samdesa. We think it's Samdesa. Behind Ensa Gomba. Tanganzu logi, we're going back. We're making a circle, a Buddhist circle of the Gomba and going back. The stupa, Ningba stupa there. Ani wala, Nubra Valley. Ani pagi churada. Wala, that is actually River Nubra. It looks grey, but it's water. It's pretty big. Crazy. We're taking a circle. This is as ancient as it can get. All built by hand. This is magical. Look at this. All chortens.